Let's learn how to fix this problem whereby the create option is not showing in Spotify right here. Okay, so to fix that problem, you come up right here. Okay, tap right there, and then you tap on settings, and then tap on content and display. You tap content and display, come here, create button. The create button will appear in the main navigation bar, so tap right there. You notice when you tap it right there and you toggle it on, the create option is actually shown right there. Okay, when you tap right there, you can see the create option is now available. When you turn this off, the create option goes away. So you turn that on. Okay, so when you try to tap the create option right here, you will notice that you have create a playlist with songs, collaborative playlist, and all these are available when you have the create option showing. So that is how you actually fix that problem whereby the create option is not showing in Spotify.